Durham battled hard to try and set Surrey something that might be difficult to chase down, but just couldn't quite get there. There was enough starts from the middle order, but just no one could push on. Syker Shaw with 5 for 72 from 41.5 overs, scoring 292 points this week on Cricket Draft as Durham bowled out for 344, setting Surrey 176 to win. Surrey made the chase look pretty easy in the end. They were 5 down when they chased it down, but they did it in just 38 overs. They were giving it a smash, trying to get it finished, and they cement themselves with this win at the top of Division 1. Probably the most surprising century you will ever see. Ethan Bamber, the night watchman, scores 107 after he came in last night just to survive a few balls. This knock scored him 183 points, and I liked his bowling when he was at Middlesex, then he moved to Warwickshire. I did not expect to see him score 100 today, I have to admit, but it's one of those ones, maiden first-class century, there probably won't ever be another one. Warwickshire scraped past the follow-on target thanks to Ed Barnard batting along with the tail as he finished 90 not out, as Warwickshire finished the day 465 for 9, with this game most likely heading towards a draw now. Dominant day from Yorkshire with the bat against what looks like a much weaker Sussex bowling lineup than they have previously put out. I mean, there's no Jaden Seals, no Ollie Robinson. It is a little bit of a worry. Matthew Revis scores 152 not out to score him 290 points on Cricket Draft. Helped with a 75 from George Hill. Yorkshire made it to 545 for 9 declared, giving themselves an absolutely massive lead of 300 odd. Sussex in reply were in massive trouble at 20 for 3, with James Coles was out for a golden duck, but Hughes and Ibrahim saw them to the close. 115 for 3, but still trailing by 208. They are going to have to bat for a long time tomorrow. I said yesterday that Worcestershire were prone to a batting collapse, and this is exactly what happened today. 187 for 2 to 249 all out, as their batting has just let them down this season. Jake Libby carries his bat while making a century, as he's often looked like the only one that's going to score runs in this lineup. Sonny Baker takes 5 for 72 for Hampshire, picking up 154 points. Hampshire in reply end the day 139 for 2, with Gubbins and Varma both not out, looking to extend their lead and bowl Worcestershire out tomorrow. Flat pitch and a boring ball usually gives us games like this in the Kookaburra rounds. Notts end the day 511 for 6, with Haseeb Hamid run out for 208, and that looked like the only way they were going to get him out. He scores 320 points on Cricket Draft. 70s from Haynes, and James finishes off a dominant day with the bat, with this most likely heading towards a draw, unless there's a miracle happens tomorrow and Notts take 10 wickets in probably less than 2 sessions, which I just can't see happening.